everybody, welcome back to Destination Jackpot. If you're planning a trip to Atlantis in the Bahamas, you're going to want to buckle up. This place is massive, exciting, and totally overwhelming if you don't plan ahead. But don't worry, we got you covered. And the best part is that we've earned this stay as part of our 7-star status with Caesars. That means a complimentary trip to paradise just for doing what we already love, playing smart and maximizing our rewards. And we even covered our airfare with our credit card points, so that didn't cost us anything. And with our 7-star Caesar status, we get a $100 a day food, beverage, resort credit that we can use while here, so that's an additional $500 value. Atlantis sits on over 400 acres with 5 hotels, 14 pools, and over 5 miles of beach, and the largest water park and casino in the Caribbean. It's a lot, so let's break it down. So we are right here in 7815 on the 7th floor.
You may enter.
I may enter. So down there's the sitting room and bedroom, closet, but let's first look at the bathroom. It's a split vanity. Got a shower. Nice closet with a safe. Little desk area, and it does have a Keurig. And I did bring some Keurig K-Pods, but they do have some in the room as well. There's our king-size bed. I do love that we get to wake up in the morning and look out at the ocean. Every room, yeah, they're water bottles, and then they give you a little bag. So the water bottles and the beach bag and the coffee are all complimentary. It says the Cove, so you can take those with you. We're gonna make our drinks in those. So you have another TV, you walk down just a couple of steps, couch. There is a refrigerator, but I had it on and it turned off, so I hope it stays on. There's another view this way. And then let's go check out the most important part. So it's a small balcony, it's not too wide, but it does have 2 chairs. Back over here, you can see the marina. Got a great view of the pool and the beach. Looks like the sun might set right there, huh? Very nice. You have the Reef. It is more of a condo style with kitchenettes and some kitchens. Great for long stays, but it's really not central to anything. Then you have Harborside. It's operated by the Westin. It has great marina views, full kitchens, and adjoining rooms. It is a little bit dated and a bit noisy because of the marina, but you do get access to everything. Keep in mind that Harborside is a 20 to 30-minute walk to the main resort. There are shuttles, but be sure to wear comfy shoes. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you watch those extra costs. So even though our trip was comped, it is really expensive here. I'm talking a dinner for 2 is probably gonna cost, if both of you eat a full meal, $200 to $250 a night at the nicer restaurants. You're gonna wanna make sure and pay attention to your bill because there is a 10% tax and a 15% automatic gratuity that is added to every single purchase, everything you buy. So you're already automatically paying that 15% tip, so pay attention to that. One of our viewers said that when they went down to Starbucks, they didn't even give them the total. They would just flip the screen over to get that tip. And they were tipping that 20% on top of the 15%, so they were given a 35% gratuity just for a cup of coffee. So be sure to watch that and pay attention to your bill and read it. I also recommend taking pictures of your bill so that you know exactly what you signed for and what your charges are. So you can buy sunblock here. It's going to be $35. And You can get goggles and phone cases, but you're going to do a whole lot better by these at home and pack them in your suitcase. Aquariums and marine life. Oh my gosh, you don't want to miss these. Atlantis has over 50,000 marine animals across 250 plus species. And many of the exhibits are free to explore and come with your stay. So you have the Predator Lagoon. Here you will find baby sea turtles, stingrays, sharks, and a walk-through tunnel. It is really amazing and a must-see. Then you have the Sawfish exhibit. Atlantis is the only place in the world that's bred these endangered creatures successfully, so that is definitely a must-find. Then you have the Dig. It is an underground aquarium full of surprises. And be sure not to miss the black tip reef sharks at the Royal. There are cool little tanks and exhibits hidden all around the resort, so be sure to keep your eyes open when you're walking around. Now there's the Aqua Adventure Water Park included with your stay. And let me tell you, this place is wild. It is 141 acres of slides, pools, rivers, and splash zones. And it is not just for kids. The adults have just as much fun. They have a 1-mile lazy river with rapids, but not really lazy, but a blast. And so much fun. Here we go. Down the lazy river. Then they have the shark tube slide. You go right through the shark tank. Be sure to bring your GoPro or your camera. Then you have the Mayan temple slides. Fast, steep, and surrounded by sharks. I think it's like a 60-foot drop. Yeah, Mike and I won't be doing that one, but it is super cool, and you've probably seen pictures of this one everywhere. It's pretty iconic. They also have 14 pools with a mix of adult-only and kid-friendly options. And they really aren't that packed. They're really pretty roomy, lots of spaces to spread out. You don't feel like you're right on top of your neighbor. Then they have the Poseidon's Play Zone, and that is a great place to take the kiddos. There are lots of animal encounters here, so you'll want to be sure to check out your app and see which ones of those that you want to do. If you want to do the Dolphin K or even an up-close animal experience, be sure to book in advance because they do fill up quickly. Now let's explore the dining options, what you should consider on property and also off property. We can't explore them all because Atlantis has over 40 restaurants and bars with everything from sushi to Caribbean, American, Italian, and more. But let's give some quick highlights. You have the Lagoon Bar and Grill. It has great food. The food's just okay. Then you have a Shake Shack. Yes, the same one that we have back in the States. Actually, it's one of the better meals for the price. Piranha and fish, both by Jose Andres. Yummy cheddar biscuits. The first round is on the restaurant. If you want additional, they're $8. Mike said it's falling apart. That's a good sign. And we're sharing the seafood croquettes. The bread is really good, but it's very, very sweet. Then you have Nobu in the casino. It's upscale, kind of a sushi vibe. So we are at the Nobu. As Mike says, it's the no food Nobu because it doesn't come with large portions. We're gonna have this yellowtail sashimi. This is the black cod with miso. And they said this is what made them famous. So we are having the Wagyu dumplings. We've heard they're amazing. Looks so yummy. Here we have the Bohemian roll. It is specific to the Bahamas and it has conch in it and it looks amazing. What a presentation. Harbor Village is a gorgeous walk at night. That's where the big yachts are and the food is just okay, but it's really a quaint little area to walk around. Real talk, the food here is expensive, like really expensive. So if you want to save money and try to authentic Bohemian food, get off the resort. I'm going to give you a couple of property restaurants to consider and eat like a local. The Poop Deck. Yes, I said it. The Poop Deck. You're not going to forget the name of that one, but it didn't poop. It's really good food. They have local seafood. Then you have the fish fry at Arawak Cay, and it's maybe a 15-minute, but it's a great place. It has over 21 restaurants all in one spot. Trust me, if you want fresh, flavorful food at a better price, head over to the fish fry. Okay, entertainment and extras. You'll never get bored at the Atlantis, seriously. There's the casino with tons of slots, table games, and even a sports book. We know our viewers love that and will for sure be spending some time there. You have mini golf, free movies every night at the on-site theater, the teen club, kid-friendly activities across the resort. There really is so much to do. Walking through, seeing all the fish and the wildlife displays is just amazing. It's really beautiful. This Atlantis trip was exactly what we needed. Sunshine, rewards, relaxation, and a whole lot of value. This was honestly one of the most relaxing trips that Mike and I have ever taken. It's a beautiful property with amazing beaches, great food, and just really amazing quality time that we had together. Thank you for watching Destination Jackpot, where we turn your spins into sweets, your points into perks, and your credit into cash. We'll see you on the next one.